So the wife says, bring home some milk, right? Look at this, 2% reduced fat milk. That used to be $1.25 before COVID. Look at it now, it's $3.50 fucking nine. Look at that, $3.59. Why? Because the store next door raised their prices. So these guys follow the train. They hike up their prices. Look at this. Prairie Farms whole milk, $3.79. With tax, you'll end up paying for something at the cash register, guys. This is just insane. This is insane, man. It's unreal. Listen, I got 5 kids. We could drink a gallon. They go through a gallon a day, bro. And I'm not gonna starve my kids. You know, they go through a gallon a day, a gallon every day and a half. But milk has been part of our life forever. All right. And this used to be $1.79. You know, and I thought that was expensive, man. Look at that. Look at that. What does it say right there? What does it say? It says, "Don't touch me." That's what it says right there. That's what it says. It says, "Don't touch me. Can't afford me." Look at the eggs. Let me show you the eggs. The eggs used to be 99 cents, and I thought that was too much because sometimes they put them on low, and it'll be like 79 cents. Look at that, 2.49 right now. I'm thinking, whoa, this is good. I better grab some because tomorrow it'll be like 3.79. All right. So it's kind of crazy, right? For a dozen eggs, guys, a fucking dozen eggs. Listen, I got a kid that goes through that whole dozen in one day. All right. Imagine I got 5 kids now. I got to buy 5 dozens, 5 dozens of this stuff because we eat eggs for breakfast, right? So check this out, guys. These prices, they're all going up except your salary, your income. Is that what you make? If you're set on Social Security or you're set on disability, you're limited, right? You're limited. Most of the shit, you come here, you look at it, you crave it, but you can't have it. You know why? Because you're on a budget, right? So I got the side hustle, people. I got the side hustle where you don't have to worry about worrying about this garbage prices, man. You just side hustle makes you enough money where you don't have to worry about any of these prices. You just plug and play. All it is plug and play. Digital marketing, guys. Plug and play. It's a built-in business with its own how-to videos, and it'll show you how to run it, program it, and promote it. And you could sell it 100% master resale right to you, 100% profit to you. Check out that link in the bio, people, and you'll understand what I'm talking about. All right. Now I can grab this, I don't have to look at the price. You know why? Look at this. Look. I got cash. I ain't got to worry about this shit. I just grab and go, man. You know what I'm saying? That's the way it's supposed to be in America, man. Grab and go. And I don't have to go out there and bring a calculator with me at the register and start putting shit back. So you guys check out that link in the bio and I'll share with you what I'm doing. And let me know, leave a comment. All right?